Hi everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to break ties in your rank measure. So when you're working with the RANKX DAX function, it often assigns the same rank where your measure value is same. So in this example, as you can see, I have categories, and in my categories I have my alphabets and I have sum of value. So as you can see that wherever I have a duplicate record for value, my rank is also same. So now what we're going to do is we are going to break this rank by adding a tiebreaker, and this tiebreaker is going to be the alphabetical order of my categories. So I'll just show you my rank function. It is a very simple RANKX function. In my table I have all selected categories, and in my expression I have calculated sum of values. The value section I'm keeping it as blank. The order is going to be descending, and this is a dense rank. Okay, so in the same measure I'm going to add my tiebreaker. So what I'm going to do is, in my expression, which is this, I'm going to add a small fractional amount, and this is going to be a very small amount, so it doesn't actually contribute to the core measure, and this would just help me break the tie. So after my expression, I am just going to add a plus sign, and I'm going to use the divide function to further divide my value by a very big number. So my numerator is going to be a rank measure again, which is going to rank my categories by alphabetical order. So I'm going to use the RANKX function again. My expression would be same, all selected categories, and my expression, my table would be same. My expression would be calculate max of the categories. Okay, now I'm going to close my calculate function. My values I'm going to keep it as blank, and my order is going to be descending, and this is going to be a dense rank. Okay, so this is my numerator value. My denominator value is going to be, I'm going to use a scientific notation, which is 1 capital E 10, which just means 1 followed by 10 zeros. So this is a very large number, and I'm going to divide by this number, so my value comes to be a very small fractional amount. Okay, alright, let's see the results. Okay, so as you can see, I have unique ranks now. One is for A, B is 2, and rest of the ranks are also unique. So if you're wondering why I'm using descending here for my alphabetical order, so it has to be the other way around. So when I'm using descending, my alphabets, for example Z is going to be ranked as 1, whereas A is going to be ranked as 26. Okay, and when I'm dividing this by a very large number, the value that I get for A, which is the rank is 26, it is going to be higher than what I get for my value Z. So if you're using descending here, you need to use descending here. If you're using ascending here, you can use ascending here. So you can try that out. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.